On the first Tuesday of every month, Epic Games releases free assets for all its users on the Unreal Engine marketplace. In this video, we are going to go over all of the free assets that they have released this month. First up, we have the Advanced Photo Mode. This asset allows you to add a photo mode and gallery to your video game. By adding a photo mode to your game, you allow the opportunity for players to share and celebrate their favorite moments in the games with their friends, families, and online communities. Adding a photo mode to your game can also provide many benefits for your game. For example, it can increase player engagement as it encourages players to spend more time exploring your world and taking screenshots, and having a photo mode can act as kind of a marketing tool as players are likely to share the screenshots that they take in your game on social media platforms. Secondly, we have the Blink and Dash VFX. This is a VFX asset that contains 10 unique blink and dash effects. In total, it contains 6 dash effects and 4 blink effects. Next up, we have the Low Poly Viking World. This asset contains a massive pack of Viking environment art assets to help you create both interior and exterior game environments. Using this pack, you can create a Viking town, village, marketplace, library, and much more. In total, it has over 1,000 models and multiple different maps that you can choose. Penultimately, we have the Creating a Portal to Another Reality. This asset allows you to easily create portals to worlds that will be slightly different from the original worlds. It's important to understand the creator of this asset pack has said that character and objects do not teleport, they only change some of the properties such as the visibility, collision, material. You can create an unlimited number of portals that connect the same world, or each portal you create can have its own world. This asset could be good if, for example, you're making a puzzle game. And finally, we have the Sicker Mansion. This asset contains a fully Victorian mansion environment with nearly over 200 prop, character, and it comes with a drag and drop inspect system. So, that's all for this video. Let me know which asset you'll be claiming. I normally just claim them all, as I always say. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!